So we got the unit removed, the cover removed. Where the cracking and the sound comes from is where the copper and the plastic kind of meet there. And then obviously it's in heating, it heats up and expands a little bit. That's what you're hearing. Mitsubishi owners, if you're hearing that sound, here's your indoor unit with the cover removed. And then on the side over here, you've got this plastic housing, and this plastic housing, it holds that shaft in place there, and its function also is just to kind of hold these copper caps onto this coil. And the sound, once again, is because of this tight fit where the copper and the plastic are kind of sneaking through, and some of them are a little larger openings. Those probably don't make any sound right there. It's the ones that you coming up and you see that are kind of in a tight spot. That copper is expanding, contracting, and really annoying some customers because it's at nighttime, it's cycling on and heating and kind of bugging some guys out there. So we're gonna address this unit with some lubricant. It's an oil, Teflon based. We're gonna put that, apply this here and see if that's the fix.